Guys, I want to say something about this Samsung Galaxy Galaxy Note Note 3. It's very hard that they finally that they have some issues, some charging port IC have some issue. Because when you find out like something like that, you find something like maybe customer or anybody gives you something like this, like Samsung Galaxy Note 3. You have an issue, it's not well charging, you have a charging error, which is charging off and on, or maybe showing error charging. So you can see the IC that I removed from inside. The IC is very black. It sits from the phone, and when you look down the phone panel, you can see it from the charger port. You can see the logo of it. You can see the little difference of it. Then I finally saw something like this on the phone. Look at it. I hold it with my picker. I found out something like this in my phone. The phone just off and on. This is the problem that causes the phone that make the phone to not on. Look at the black IC, which is they make a mistake, which is they apply the two of the IC inside. That is why the phone is offing when plugging off and on, off and on, off and on. This is the problem that causes it. Look at the problem here. Look at the IC. I hold it here with my picker. You can see it, guys. This is the IC that make the phone to not work, make the phone off and on. You can see, come to this side, you see where I removed the IC from. Look at the point that I removed the IC from. You can see it here. This is the place that causes the error of the phone that make the phone to not work. This is the charging IC, which connects to the supply of the phone. You can see it here. Make the phone off and on, off and on. This is the error, this is the problem of the issue of the phone that make the phone to off and on, which is the phone push auto. You can see the program IC outside. Then you can see the charging IC here. This is the fault of the phone. Then bring the both IC together. Look at one of the charging IC. Then you come to the bottom of the charging port. You can see it here, both sides, which is more different. What I'm saying is very correct. Look at the IC here. The IC that is the bottom charging port. Then look at it on top of the phone. And this is the problem that causes it. Maybe you find out something like this, you can just easily unplug this IC, unplug this black IC from here. Because this IC is inside the phone. You can see it. Let me put it so that you can understand what I'm saying. Just watch it. The IC is here, which is both of the IC. There was both bridge. They were bridge. Look at the IC there on the phone. Then when you see something like this, you know that they make error inside. These are the charging IC that is making the phone to charge and to supply. This that make the phone to off and on. You can keep phone. The phone will not on again. Look at the error here. You just easily change the charging port from the bottom of the phone program. You can see it here. The charging IC is here. Then when you look at the bottom of the charging port, you didn't find out that any of the IC they have double IC inside here. It's only one that we have. You can see this is Galaxy Note 3. You can see 900. This is the model 900. You can see it there. Split on top of the phone. Finally, you see something like this, please, guys. Just easily remove it out. You just come to the phone or disconnect the phone, open the phone. Then you can see something like this. This is the problem that is causing it. This is it. You just easily remove it. You can see it here. This is the IC that make the phone to not on, make the phone off and on. This is the problem. Anytime you find out, guys, you have to work like this. You can just easily pull it out from the phone panel. Now the phone is working, everything is working well. You can even say I can test it, everything is not working. Thanks, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me up. Subscribe, please. More videos coming, more knowledge, more technologies is coming. Guys, will show you guys. Thank you for watching.